Floresca versus Felix Mining, GR number L30642, April 30, 1985. As a result of the negligence of Felix, the mining site collapsed. Out of 48, 5 escaped, 22 rescued within the week, but 21 were left to die due to Felix's order. Heirs of the 21 filed a civil complaint in court of first instance. Felix filed a motion to dismiss, arguing that the accident falls under the Workers' Compensation Act and thus outside of CFI jurisdiction. WCA provides that one, such work-connected deaths are within the jurisdiction of WCC, and two, if the employer is negligent, employer shall pay the compensation plus 50% of same compensation. The respondents invoke Section 5 of WCA, which states exclusive right to compensation, the rights and remedies granted by this Act to an employee by reason of a personal injury, entitling him to compensation shall exclude all other rights and remedies accruing to the employee, his personal representatives, dependents, or nearest of kin against the employer under the Civil Code and other laws because of said injury. Because the heirs have already received compensation, they are no longer entitled to a damage suit. Issue: whether the petitioners can avail both of the WCA action and damage suit. The court reasoned that had the petitioners learned of the cause much sooner, petitioners would have filed for a civil suit instead. Petitioners' initial resort to WCA action is based on ignorance or mistake of fact. Because petitioners were not informed of the true cause, they had no choice between a WCA and a civil suit. This then creates an exception to Section 5 of WCA. Hence, court remanded the case to lower court for proper judgment.